Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Xiaomi 13. So there is two ways on this device. First one is by the Google Lens, so we have to open the Google Photos. And now just choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and now tap on this little Google Lens icon. And the process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar images. That was our first method. The second one is by the web browser. We have to go to the google.com. And now it's very important step. Go to your web browser settings and switch your web browser to the desktop side. It's necessary. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the photos and choose the photo like before. Click done. And like before, we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google database. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.